Hey guys, Bobby here, and in today's video we'll be talking about, is selling on Amazon worth it? In my last video we talked about how much do you need to get started on Amazon. I will have a link down below to that video in the description. Give this video a like if you're ready to find out if selling on Amazon is worth it. So for me, before I started my Amazon business, one of the things that I thought about was the stock market. And I was thinking, okay, I'm going to work so hard throughout the years and eventually I will have a lump sum of money that I can live off of once I retire. And I was thinking, I want something sooner. I don't want to wait till retirement to enjoy the fruits of my labor. It's like I want to enjoy now. And right now you can look here, and this is the 2020, 2019, all the way down to like 1950 something, showing you the returns that you get on the stock market as far as the S&P 500, which is one of the best index funds out there. So here's a screenshot of the last 30 days of my sales on Amazon. I made $3,148 in sales on Amazon in the last 30 days. And after all the fees and everything like that, it might equal up to maybe $1,000 going back to me to reinvest in my business. So if you're somebody who wants to make $500 to $1,000 a month with very little time. It takes a little bit of time starting out. It takes a lot of time actually, so that you can get things in motion. But once you get the hang of it, you don't have to spend as much time. Right now, I might have spent maybe 2 to 3 hours a week, maybe less, depending on if I am shipping or prepping my own products. As far as research goes, I haven't researched in maybe a week or two. I was going to start doing it today and maybe spend an hour doing research. But other than that, I might spend about maybe 10, 15 to 20 hours, I'd say less than that, a month on my Amazon business because, we have lives. We take care of our families. We got other jobs, But this is something that you can do on the side, little by little, a couple hours a week, and make sales like these. Okay, let's say that you found an item and it sold on Amazon for $38.99. And the profit after the fees was $6.48. Okay, let's say it took you an hour to find this product. But every month, this product sells 10 times. So if you sold this product 10 times a month, that would be $64.80 in your pocket every single month for that one product. Let's say you find 5 more. Times that by 5, that's about $300 per month for a handful of products. And all you have to do is spend a little bit of time over the week, 1 hour, maybe a week, or 2 or 3 hours a week, and you'll start to see results like this. That's basically what I'm saying. Is that's what I did at first. Is I made a list of products to sell, then I packaged them, sent them into FBA. They sold. I bought more. That sent in more. So it gets to a point to where all you have to do is just reorder the products online, send it into Amazon, and it's basically Amazon fulfills it for you. But at the same time, after they sell, order, do it again. This is why I like online arbitrage better than RA. RA is whenever you go to different stores and you buy things and that are on clearance aisles, and then you try to sell those for a profit. I did that for a little bit, got tired of it, really got tired of it, because I was going to different Walmarts, different Targets, or a different Walmart's, Target, and maybe Goodwills and stuff like that. And it got to a point where I wasn't finding anything. And then replenishables is somehow ended up in my crosshairs to find products to resell over and over again that you can buy at Walmart and Target or any other store to resell on Amazon every single month at regular price for at the stores. So if Target regularly has a product for $15.68 to where I can sell on Amazon for $38.99 and get a profit of $6.48 that I can do every single month, I say that's worth it. So the money that you make can go back into the business to grow. You can spend it on software. You can spend it on basically anything for the business, and you can make it tax deductible. You can spend it on trainings. You can spend it on education. If you do want to do RA, the gas money that it takes to get there, a percentage of the phone. I got me a Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm going to say that it's my business because I'm using it to take pictures of products whenever I create bundles. I am using it right now whenever it comes to recording these videos on YouTube to share it to you guys. There's a lot of benefits to having an online business. So the real question is, where are you on your journey? Do you need money so fast that you hope that something like this is going to take care of all your needs? Then no, this is not for you. This is not worth it for you. But if you're somebody who is doing well as far as everything's paid off as far as your bills and stuff like that, and you have a little extra money that you want to invest, then yes, I believe that this is for you. If you spend maybe an hour or two a week and shipping and packaging and send it into Amazon FBA, then I believe that this is for you. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you think that selling on Amazon is worth it. If you want to learn the mindset that you need to get started with your Amazon business, I will have a link down below to a video teaching you the mindset that you need to start an Amazon business.